On the left hand side, you can see that we have quota plans available. Quota plans helps us to control how much services we can assign to a space. It is inside the space we will be creating our ABAP trial. So if we want to control, for example, if I want to let this space use only 2 services out of 10, then I can go to this quota plan and here I can create a new plan. And in this, I can write the name of the quota plan like limit dev. I have to give the memory, it is a mandatory option. So I will just write 100. We are in the trials account, so it doesn't matter. And in the services, I can write 2 and click on save button. Now you can see that we have created a quota plan in which the quota plan represents that it is made of 100 MB and 2 services. Now here you can see that we have our space available. Now we can assign this quota plan to our space so that our space can use only 2 services. I will select the limit dev and now it has assigned the quota plan to the space. Let's go back to the space and check now how many services it can use. Wow, see here, now it can use only 2 services. Now it cannot use 10 services because we have assigned a quota plan to this space.